Hello dear traders and welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Today the most popular currency pair reversed to the downtrend again. However, the euro-dollar is closing this trading week with gains. Hi Peter, your previous forecast has not come true. How could you comment on this trading instrument now?
Hello there traders. Euro versus US dollar basically went higher since my previous forecast, and it didn't trigger the sell order and the bearish idea since my previous forecast, since the price never went to the trigger line. Anyway, according to the current situation, what I see according to the 4-hour time frame, basically I found that there is a bearish flag in duration and that there is a broken upward trend line in the background. So these are all signs that sellers may come in, and I don't also like this tempo on the upside. It's getting very slow on the upside. So in my opinion, this is only correction before the new wave down. So absolutely my advice to watch for selling opportunities after you see the breakout of the bearish flag pattern. So the downward targets are set the price of 1.1363. This is the first downward target, and the second downward target is set the price of 1.1220. To make this idea invalid, the price will need to go above 1.1460 in order to actually negate this bearish opportunity. So watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
Moreover, your outlook for the pound-dollar pair also went a bit wrong. Deals on this trading instrument remain open today. Nevertheless, there are assumptions that the pair could eventually follow the path in your outlook. Does it make sense to close the deal or to be on the watch for a decline of the price?
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found is also a potential bearish moment on this currency pair. What I found that there is a basically potential end of the upward correction. There is a potential zigzag and ABC points there. I also found that there is a climax in the background. In my advice to watch for selling opportunities, there is also supply trend line where the price stopped, and sellers may come from this level. So watch for selling opportunities in this currency pair, and downward targets are set at the price of 1.2770. Is the first downward target, and at the price of 1.2700. Both targets are based on the previous price action according to a 4-hour time frame and previous swing lows. In order to make this idea invalid, this bearish idea to make invalid, the price will need to go above 1.2960 to negate this bearish trading idea. So watch for selling opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar.
Could you please share your ideas for the euro versus the Australian dollar pair, as this trading instrument also behaved differently? Perhaps you would like to analyze another currency pair as well.
USD Japanese yen is the new currency pair I added to the watch list. Since the euro Australian dollar, since my previous forecast, basically went upward, and that will be it basically triggered the invalid the line. But since I didn't saw any good trading idea right now on the euro Australian dollar, this is the new currency pair USD Japanese yen. Because why I added this is because there is a potential for the upward continuation of this currency pair. So far there is a rectangle, a flat consolidation of this currency pair, but since we have the wave up in the background, the very aggressive wave up, I expect a further upside of this currency pair. My advice to watch for buying opportunities, if you see the price breaks 113.13, and because this is the resistance of this rectangle pattern. So if you see the breakout of 113.13, then watch for buying opportunities, and the upward target is set at the price of 113.60.
Thank you, Peter, for your recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and technical analyst Peter Yakimovic from Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.